My name is Mahesh Fatima and I am from class 9 from Manchi School. And this is my model advanced water management system, EcoHydra solution. The EcoHydra is cutting edge water management system designed to optimize water conservation, harvesting and its management. This advanced technology integrates multiple components to provide a holistic approach to water sustainability. RO. What is RO? Do you know the full form of RO? The full form of RO is reverse osmosis. Wastage water, which is also known as reject water, is a common product for water purification system. The ROs can be used in homes, malls, industries, etc. So, in that, only 25% of the water is getting purified. Another 75% of the water is wasted and thrown into the sink. You may have RO purifiers in your homes. So, may I know where the wasted water is going? It could be definitely thrown into the sink, but we can have some usage of it. It could be the RO wastewater can be perfectly used for cleaning, like for washing the cars. The RO wastage water can also be used for laboratory purpose, like for flushing the toilets. So we in our school have implemented the RO. So we in our school have implemented in such a way that this RO purifier sends the wastage water to the plants kept in our backyard. So in which it in turns helps in increasing the groundwater level. Now I am going to demonstrate it. The rainwater is collected in the tank and sent it to the RO purifier, in which 25% of the water is getting purified and 75% of water goes for the washing the cars and another practical sources. See, it can be used for washing the cars. And then it can be used for in irrigation fields. So, like this, we can use the wastewater. Now, I am going to show you some benefits of advanced water management system. It even has some benefits that we can reduce the consumption of water up to 50%, by which we can conserve the groundwater resources, which can reduce the demand of municipal corporation, which could give us less water bills. Applications where we can use this water management system. We can use this in residentials or where the buildings are building, or where in schools, in homes, and where in the public areas. Conclusion: as you know that we are facing a pressuring issue of water scarcity, but with the innovation solutions like EcoHydra, we can make a difference. Thank you.